Hi y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So this is 2 days before Christmas. I had to look back and make sure I get my dates correct, y'all. But this is 2 days before Christmas, and I decided to make some mini burgers. If you look at my previous video, I may go ahead and put the Kroger's haul video in the description box. You can look at that first and then come to this, because I remember telling you guys that I was making mini turkey burgers. So everything that you saw previous, that's what I'm using in the video today. And I just wanted to say to you guys that I love you guys so much, and I genuinely thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I know that my videos are not, the light is not clear. I know that sometimes I'm doing voiceovers a lot, and you guys have been rocking with me from day one, and you know my situation. If you are coming in and you're new to the channel, and you're confused of why her channel is looking like this or that, just know I am working on getting some lighting fixtures in my mom's house. Right now I am temporarily living with mom because I did have a lot of problems going on with my condominium where I stayed previously, and 2025 is coming up. I'm just going to go ahead and start looking around for a bigger apartment so me and my little family can be, happy. Not saying that I'm not happy here, because I am happy. I have a shelter, I have food, and God has been blessing me. I have a job, and I have my family here. But my immediate family is just my son and my boyfriend and I. So it's a family of 3, and we need to be together, y'all. We need to be together. So anyways, y'all, let's get into this video. But I was just saying, if you guys were new and you were wondering, I got good quality videos, but the lighting is off. So I just wanted to explain to you guys about that, because I know a couple of you have commented and contacted me about it, and I just wanted to just put out there, I don't have to explain everything, but I wanted to be straightforward with you guys. I'm very, very straightforward, and will let you guys know what's going on, because this is my life and you guys are a part of my life. So yeah, but anyways, these are the seasonings that I chose to put in my ground turkey. Now, if you don't like ground turkey, go ahead and use your ground pork, ground chicken, ground beef, whatever ground you want to use your, to your own liking and what your family like and what you're used to cooking. Me personally, I am a ground turkey girl. And that's what, I use, and the family loves it too as well. But yeah, make sure you put some basil in there, because basil do give it that sweet taste, but not too sweet, and it tones down the salt intake that was in the McCormick seasoning. So you just want to mix everything up. Let's get into it. So yeah, just mix everything up. Your onions, mix everything into that meat mixture, and then for the rest of the meat, just mom hack. You don't have to go out and buy one of those little airtight concealer, vegetable meat packet things, the vacuum like I did. Since I've been at mom's house, I have not been using it, and so I just thought about, just putting my extra meat into a Ziploc bag, squeezing all that air out, because it's always good to squeeze that air out. It keeps the meat more fresher, and it keeps it in the freezer a little bit more longer. If you have a deep freezer, yes, you can store many meats in there and vegetables if you want to. Just make sure you chop them up, clean them really good, and put them in there, and you're good to go. So I'm over here washing my hands because I was touching, meat products, and so Another little fun mom hack, I go to Dollar Tree, $1.25 Tree, and buy these little individual square divider. I call them meat pressers, but they're parchment papers, and they're for burgers. So I'm so in love with smash burgers, not the actual smash burger because I have not had one of those yet. But I just love the way that they cook, and they cook so fast when you smash them out. So if you were ever at Smash Burgers, the actual Smash Burger restaurant, this is how they do it. And then they smash them out, and then they put them on top of each other. And when it's time to cook them, they don't have a problem with, having to do this, like smash them, like to order. They can already be prepared and ready. And you can also smash them and put them in like little Ziploc bags and store them in the freezer as well as for next time. So if you're just craving a burger, you can just pull them out and then put them on the stove. They'll throw out really quick. So this is what they look like, y'all. And when I tell you guys, we love turkey burgers, but we want our burgers to look like ground beef burgers, and we want them to be charred on the outside, brown, baby. We don't take no turkey burger that ain't brown, okay? So if it ain't brown, I don't want it. And it gotta look like this, baby. You see? We don't want no undone turkey. Even though turkey meat gets done really quick, you still want to see that brown on the outside, okay? But either brown or caramel, like me, that caramel tone. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place some more of these on there. And when I tell you guys, these cook so fast. The smash burgers cook so fast, rather than your ordinary regular patty meats that you be, patting in your hand. These cook quick when you smash them out. So I would suggest all my mamas out there that don't have time to smash them burgers, okay? So I'm grabbing some butter out the oven, melted good butter. Y'all, I'm from Texas and I love my butter. I love my butter on my bread. I love my toast, okay? And so I just decided to toast our bread up really good, because what's a burger without a toasted bun, okay? Some people like toasted buns, some people don't, but I like to, if I'm cooking, I like to go all out. You guys already know I'm chefing, so it's just like, man, like it feels really good to be cooking for the fam. I wish I could cook for my little fam, my boyfriend, but he's not here. But when I'm with him, we having so much fun and stuff like that. But I miss that dude. Like I really do. Like I miss Babe. I miss him so much, y'all. Y'all just don't know. But anyways, back to the cooking video. So you just want to place those buns on a tray. When I thought that mom didn't have a longer tray, it was like underneath the stove. I always tend to forget that there's like a hideaway drawer underneath the stove. I'm always looking inside of the cabinets, and mom's like, look under the stove, there's a drawer down there. Look, there's a longer pan under there. So I've been squeezing these buns and squeezing toast bread on this one little pan, because I thought mom only had this one little pan. And then I was absolutely going to go get her a bigger pan. Sure was. And then she had told me, she was like, no, it's down below. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and put some oregano on top, just for cuteness. It's like, how you cute up some bread? Just like I'm cuting it. Just put some flavor up there on them buns, okay? Make it look cute. But yeah, that's how they look with the oregano on top. and then you just put them in the oven for like 350 and let them go and do their own thing. So we're gonna go ahead and start frying our waffle fries. Like, I was thinking at first I should put them in the oven, but I'm like, everything else is ready, so I'm gonna put these waffle fries on the stove, top of the stove, and just let it do what it do. Okay, save some time. Okay, so I have a question for you guys really quick. How do you put fries and waffle fries in a pan? Like, is this normal how I'm doing it? I'm so scared that I'm gonna get burnt. And I know with me like training to be a chef, like, I'm having second thoughts, y'all, because I am so scared of burning myself. Like, so scared. I've burnt my arm. I've burnt the inside of my hand where the thumb is. And I'm just afraid. But anyways, y'all, this is the outcome. Family have already ate. I'm eating right now. And thank you guys so much for watching the channel. See you next time.